Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about Photoshop version 24.0. Since we all know Photoshop is a very great application for enhancing and editing your images, but there are few reported issues. So let's get started on this. So you might find the instances where the application is crashing. So the crash may happen when you're trying to open one or more JPEG files. Another crash which you might observe is in NVIDIA drivers. This is mostly on Windows. You can see it on the screen. You might get error message as this. And the third one is the Photoshop crashing when applying field blur on Mac OS Intel. Other issue which has been reported when you try to open Photoshop and when you go to create a new document, your Photoshop screen workspace flickers with a green color on it. So this is mostly caused due to a graphic processor. So the workaround for this, you have to go to your Photoshop preferences and then you have to move to performance tab. There you have to uncheck the graphic processor, hit OK, and then restart the application. This will hopefully fix the issue if you're using version 24.2. And there are a few other issues which are reported, as you can see on the screen. So you will see that the Pantone colors would be missing, which are replaced in the document, and then the alternate type glyphs are not working for few of the users. And then in macOS Ventura, save as, save a copy dialog, and there are other issues which have been reported while using save function. But nevertheless, as we all know, Adobe is continuously trying to enhance the customer digital experience. So you have to go ahead and update the Photoshop to the latest version, that is 24.0.1, and this will fix all the issues which have been told on this video. And if you're still facing the issue, request you to please write a comment on it, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.